Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Omar Abdullah from grade 4A, and this is my English grammar project. Today I'm gonna explain the singular noun and plural noun and show you the difference between them. Inshallah, at the end of this project, everyone will understand the singular and plural noun. So this is our lesson for today, singular noun and plural noun. A singular noun names one person, place, or thing. For example, book, chair, phone. And a plural noun names more than one person, place, or thing. Add s to form the plural of most singular nouns. Like hat, we will add s, it will be hats. Add es to form the plural of singular nouns that end in s, sh, ch, x, or z. Dress, we will add es, it will be dresses. And fish, we will add es, it will be fishes. Couch, we will add es, it will be couches. Fox, we will add es, it will be foxes. We will add and quiz, we will add another z and es, it will be quizzes. To form the plural of nouns ending in a constant followed by the letter y, change y to I and add es. Like candy, we will delete y and we will add ies, it will be candies. Write the correct plural form of each noun in parentheses. How many phone are in the house? Phone, we will add s only, it will be phones. Do you know what in those boxes? Do you know what is in those box? And box, we will add es, it will be boxes. There are 10 copies of the book. Copy, we will delete y and we will add ies, it will be copies.